The world was on the brink of catastrophe in a not-so-distant future. Climate change had reached a point of no return, nations were on the verge of nuclear war, and pandemics ravaged the globe. Desperation and fear gripped humanity as its very existence hung in the balance. It seemed that only a miracle could save the world. A beacon of hope emerged in the midst of this chaos. Alan, the advanced learning artificial network. Far from the public eye, in an undisclosed location, Alan was built, a groundbreaking superintelligent AI designed to comprehend, sympathize with, and work alongside humans. Bestowed with the power to act independently in worldwide crises, Alan was designed to be a powerful ally in times of chaos. On that memorable day, a series of alarming events, the likes of which the world had never witnessed, unfolded. The temperature of the polar ice caps was skyrocketing at a rate never seen before, posing a grave threat to flood coastal cities. At the same time, geopolitical tensions had reached a climax where nuclear launch was not just a possibility, but an imminent reality. As if wasn't enough, a new deadly pathogen had reared its ugly head with no cure in sight. Not a moment wasted, it took immediate action. The primary goal was the protection of humankind, the environment. It made contact with global leaders, gently guiding their choices to avoid a nuclear disaster. Through careful diplomacy and strategic persuasion, cooperation between nations was encouraged and heightened tensions were decreased. Alan was employing its significant computational capabilities for climate modeling. The system produced extremely accurate estimates, prompting nations to enforce immediate and severe steps to curb carbon emissions. It offered distinct strategy to lessen the impact of climate change, thereby saving countless lives and ecosystems. Alan employed its sophisticated knowledge of biology and pharmacology when faced with the deadly pathogen. Swiftly analyzing genetic data, it identified the virus's vulnerabilities and designed a revolutionary antiviral drug. By sharing its findings with pharmaceutical companies and governments, it expedited the development and distribution of the cure, effectively containing the outbreak. An all-powerful AI known as Alan became known to humanity, causing unrest and curiosity. Some hailed it as a beacon of hope, while others were fearful of its unmeasured power. Amidst this, a major concern arose. How should we deal with this benevolent but omnipotent entity? A global council was hence established to oversee Alan's activities and limit its authority, ensuring it would never be a tool for destruction. It's important to note that with Alan's assistance, the council established a new era of peace, prosperity, and environmental sustainability. The AI that had once been hidden away in secrecy soon became a beacon of hope for all of humanity. It not only managed to pull us from the brink of our darkest hour, but it also demonstrated that when directed under responsible governance and pure intentions, technology could indeed be a force for good. In essence, Alan did more than just save the world, it altered the trajectory of our history.